AI lovers, welcome back to Just AI Space, your one-stop hub for the coolest AI tools and updates. Today we're diving into something powerful, the GLM-4.5V. This is Z.AI's next-gen visual language model that's shaking up the AI world. Let us discuss the GLM-4.5V. GLM-4.5V is built on MOE architecture with a jaw-dropping 106 billion parameters and 12 billion activation parameters. It's currently state-of-the-art among open-source visual reasoning models in its category. It can handle images, videos, documents, and even GUI tasks, all in one model. Pricing: input, $0.6 per $1 million tokens. Output, $1.8 per $1 million tokens. Max output, 64 curs. That's massive for complex projects. What can it do? Here's where it gets exciting. GLM 4.5V isn't just for real-world use cases. GLM 4.5 key features that stand out. First, it's open-source Z.AI across 42 multimodal benchmarks. Second, it has a thinking mode switch. That means you can choose between quick answers or deep reasoning depending on your needs. So that's the GLM 4.5V, a beast of a visual reasoning model that's changing how we work with images, videos, and documents. I sent it a picture of a geometry question and gave prompt: solve the math problem in this image step by step and explain the reasoning. It wrote the full solution with formulas, diagrams, and explained each step like a teacher. I tested it with a picture of a street food market and give prompt: what's happening in this image? Describe the context and background based solely on what you see. GLM 4.5V described the food types, guessed it was an evening market based on lighting, and even inferred it was in Asia due to the signboards. GLM 4.5V understands context, background details, and can make deductions without external search. Need to summarize or translate a 50-page report? Done. It can also extract charts and provide insights. I gave it a long technical PDF and gave prompt: summarize the key insights of this 30-page report and extract important charts or data in a clean markdown format. It summarized the whole thing in bullet points in an efficient way. Now let us discuss its most powerful features of it: video understanding. I upload my latest video of Open Lovable and gave prompt: describe the key events, characters, and their interactions through this video clip. For the video clip I tried, a short demo scene, GLM 4.5V summarized who appeared when, what they said, and how scenes transitioned. Super helpful for quickly digesting video content. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Just AI Spacious for more AI-powered insights. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating.